subaybayan nyo yung adventure namin.
Our camping trip started like any other. Bright and sunny, the weather was almost perfect. Everything seemed ideal. As usual, yung nakasanayan natin pag-umpisa pa lang ng camping. Before we left, as we always do, we prayed and asked God to bless us and guide us on our trip. Nasabi ko nga sa part 1 when we arrived here, I was so impressed. Pero, this was our first riverside camping. And I had an intuition that there was something wrong, even in the beginning. I can't quite put my finger on it, but something feels off. I've learned over the years, not only in camping, but also in practical life, it is always to be prepared. Huwag kumpiyansa. Always think things over and over before deciding. There's no such word as overthinking. There's always that word, safety first, or yung paborito na word na galing sa tatay ko, anticipation. So, about to rain na. Yan. It's about to rain. Ay, hindi, umuulan na. Yan. Umuulan na. Tila lang, nakapag-set up kami. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Let's see. Camping. So, ready for the elements. See you later. So the battle is not over. Wala pa. Hindi naman alam mamaya kung lalakas pa tong ulan or ganito na pa to. So we're here, ready for the adventure. Importante lang, laging handa. Naka-secure na yung mga guidelines at saka mga peg, mga stake ng tents. So I bet siguro hindi na ito maging drone o flying saucer yung aming tent. Sige, mamaya update ng kami sa inyo mga guys, kasi I think it's almost 4 o'clock or madilim na dito kahit hapon pa, still afternoon. Okay, now while pupunta kami doon sa river, tingnan natin kung maghihina yung huminto yung ulan. We'll be going there to the river and then tingnan natin. Sayang, medyo muddy, brownish dito sa Bisaya, sa Mindanao, sa Bisaya ang tawag niya lubog yung tubig. Pero usually dito pag hindi naman rainy season or rainy days, sa campsite maganda yung malinaw yung dito, yung river. Ngayon talaga brown. Sige, so antabayan na lang guys, ha. Okay, finish the video until the end para makita ninyo kung anong resulta ng camping namin. So ayan, ulan na naman. Lakas na yung tubig sa ayan, lumakas na yung river. Kasi palaging umulan dito. Galing yan sa bukid. Yan, hindi na kami nakapag-video kasi nag-panic mode na kami. Tumaas ang ano, yun, doon.
Mas mataas pa dyan.
Yan. Tumaas yung ano, yung river. And then, pero just to be sure, lumipat na kami dito sa higher ground.
Nag-overflow.
Oh, nag-overflow yung ano, yung river. Nag-overflow yung river kasi ginagawa pala dito yung parang may bridge dito na ginagawa dito sa unahan. Hindi normal yung flow ng tubig. No? So, lipat na kami kasi yung mga gamit namin sa baba, nabasa na kami. Dito na kami. Pero, basa. Sa putik yung aming inner tent. So, okay lang. Thank you Lord pa rin. Thank you for guiding us. Ganyan naman talaga ang camping. Oh. So, conquered na. Naka-try na tayo ng bagyo
Dagat.
sa dagat, naliparan ng tent. And then, ngayon, nakatry na kami ng umapaw ang river. Ano na talaga, certified camper, bushcraft. Sige. Bye-bye. Mamaya, later, update lang. Set up muna kami ulit ng tent. Hello. May gabi eh. It's so rainy. What are you marinating?
Squid and belly.
Gile? Gile and squid. Okay, so it's still raining here while we're preparing for dinner. Nawala na yung aesthetics ng aming campsite. Sige lang, importante safe tayo. A little bit of action happening dito sa campsite. Actually, nag-subside na ang river swell, pero not enough para makatawid yung mga vehicles going to the poblacion. Kasi ahead pa dito of this campsite is a poblacion. Hindi sila makatawid kasi yun nga, nasira yung parang makeshift dito na parang bridge. Reklamo ng mga residents dito, that's brought about by illegal logging. Yung mga troso daw doon galing sa taas, winasak daw yung parang bridge dito banda. So that's why nire-repair ngayon. Yun, hindi makatawid ang mga taga sa taas pababa dito sa bahay nila sa poblasyon. It's a poblacion tawag yan, hindi city. I mean, hindi kasi hindi downtown. Sulot poblacion na ito? Poblacion Sumilaw. So wala pa, hindi sila makatawid. May ambulance na, tapos may parang excavator biglang dumating na. Mga siguro about a dozen vehicles are stranded here right now. Kasi more than? Yun.
Baba na daw talaga ang pila.
Kami dito, tapos na kami sa mga problema namin. Ayan, safety na kami. Sila, kawawa naman, hindi pa nakakakain, gutom na, hindi pa nakakauwi ng bahay.
Hinga ka daw. Ay, makita kasi sobrang. Yan, side view lang. Wow, may smoke.
Hi guys, good evening, and I still can't get over. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but I think during the last time I mentioned that medyo humina na yung agos ng river dito. It's not actually a very big river, parang mababaw lang. Pero kasi here in Bukidnon right now, malakas yung ulan. Medyo malakas talaga yung ragasan ng tubig talaga kanina. And then I was about to parang have an anxiety attack. Of course, how would you react to ganito? Did manage naman to evacuate just few meters away, higher position. Pag evacuate naman kaagad, bumupa na kaagad yung baha. Yung caretaker dumating, sabi na hindi daw ganito daw. And then it so happens but sometime kanina dinner, dumating yung owners mismo, yung mag-asawa. Yeah, the owners came and then they came here to check on us. And Long didn't actually have that chance to check the reply or the reply when she texted actually the owner what was happening here at the campsite. What happened is that we were just shocked. We were here preparing for dinner. Campsite, okay, we were already settled down after the commotion. Ayun, the couple actually came here. Yung mismo yung contact ni Tong, the wife, and then the husband also, which are actually both political figures here in this area. Yeah, okay, so sinabi ko na rin sino may-ari nitong sorry but anyway, what's the point is, ayun, they were so very accommodating. They really explained that this is really a freak occurrence in nature, and this was right like the worst that happened. Floods, a little bit of flood water came into the campsite, sa mga siguro mga I think 2 inches or 3 inches, less than an ankle length. Ayun, so better naman, everything was actually elevated. Lahat naman ng mga gamit rin namin nakapatong lahat naman sa mga camping tables as usual, kasi pag talagang safety first, no? Or in ending, I thank God for we prayed that this camping would be safe, and then it would be guiding us, and then nakita naman namin na everything naman went fine. Just yun lang talaga, that freak of nature talaga na still God was in control of it, no? So yun lang. It's really, I can take a lot of videos, here the campsite. This is a semi-raw kind of site. So if ever I'll have more videos, probably by tomorrow. So we'll be exploring more of the campsite. Hope tomorrow will be a better. We'll have a good weather tomorrow rather. And then medyo hindi na uulan-ulan. Sana lang, okay? So, good night guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so that you can be able to be notified for new content on my YouTube channel. Support naman dyan. Okay? Bye-bye. The morning after the disaster. Parang walang nangyari na. It's a sunny morning, sunny day. So, mamayang hapon, hindi natin alam. Basta every afternoon daw dito, so umuulan daw dito pag afternoon.
Morning brew, sunshine glow. illicit dreams align. Foam art smiles in the mud. Latte magic, cozy hug. Every sip lifts us higher. Caffeine fix we desire. Pour another cup of love. Coffee rain from above. Heartbeats dance to the brew. Morning bright, just with you. Beans to grind, waking grind. Energy boost we can find. Stars aligned in every cup. Morning's bright when we wake up. Espresso shots, dreamy eyes. Morning comes, no surprise. Coffee, love, pure delight. Keeps us warm every night. Pour another cup of love. Coffee rain from above. Heartbeats dance to the brew. Morning's bright, just with you. Beans to grind, waking grind. Energy boost we can find. Stars aligned in every cup. Morning's bright when we wake up. Espresso shots, dreamy eyes. Morning comes, no surprise. Coffee, love, pure delight. Keeps us warm every night. Every night, just with you.
Okay, so what's good about this place? Ayan, kahit may places na, except may ibang places naman dito or mga lugar, area na shaded, yung parts naman dito talaga yung sa mismo yung main campsite, yung sa gitna. Medyo pag dumating na yung mga alas 10, alas 11, ayun, umpisa na yung medyo mainit na. So it's either yan, nasa loob ka ng ng yung itong A house, or loob kayo ng tent, medyo mainit. But ang maganda kasi dito, meron silang meron naman silang parang pavilion nila, no? Malaking kubo. Dito kayo pwede magpahangin, no? And wait for the afternoon again, and then ayun, para wait for the shade to come. Ito, we're preparing. Dito naman nag-prepare ng mga things. Pauwi na kasi kami ng Davao. So we're packing up, and dito na rin kami nag-pack up ng mga things kasi medyo mainit na doon sa doon sa saan kami nag-set up kanina. So we're almost ready. A few things na lang. So far, I'm reckoning that I'll be coming back here, no? Pero siguro parang bitin yung one night, mga 2 nights siguro. At siguro I hope pagbalik ko dito, clear na yung water dito sa river, hindi na siya brown. And I do hope na hindi na babalik yung ganong klaseng na nagkaroon ng freak na parang flash flood, no? So safer siguro kung higher ground talaga yung kung saan tayo mag-pitch ng tent or ng natin, ng campsite natin.
once I wouldn't say it, would I?
Once you wouldn't.
Well, bye.